Welcome to our roundup of the best RC helicopters. Whether you're just getting started with remote-controlled flying or looking for a fun, stable, and exciting upgrade, we've picked top-rated RC helicopters that combine durability, smooth controls, and impressive flight performance. From beginner-friendly indoor flyers to more advanced models with better control and stability, this list has something for everyone. We'll break down key features like flight time, control range, stability systems, durability, and ease of use so you can find the perfect helicopter for your needs. Don't forget to check the description box below for the latest deals. Let's dive in and find the perfect RC helicopter for you. The first on the list is the Simrex RC helicopter. The Simrex RC helicopter is a fantastic entry-level option that balances simplicity and performance, making it perfect for beginners and casual users. Right out of the box, you'll notice its stable gyro system, durable alloy frame, and easy one-key takeoff features, which make flying incredibly intuitive, even if you've never used an RC helicopter before. The built-in gyro stabilization ensures smooth hovering, reducing unwanted drifting and making it easier to control indoors. This is especially useful for younger users or first-time pilots who need a forgiving learning curve. The lightweight yet sturdy alloy body also helps absorb minor crashes, giving you more confidence while learning to fly. In terms of performance, this helicopter offers responsive controls and steady flight behavior within a reasonable indoor range. The dual-rotor system enhances balance and reduces the chances of sudden tilting. Overall, the Simrex RC helicopter is an excellent starting point for beginners who want a reliable, easy-to-use, and durable RC helicopter without spending too much. It delivers consistent performance, smooth handling, and a fun flying experience that makes learning both easy and enjoyable. Next up is the Dirk RC helicopter. The Dirk RC helicopter steps things up with improved flight stability and added smart features that enhance both fun and control. It stands out with its altitude hold function, modular battery design, and impact-resistant build, which together create a more refined flying experience. The altitude hold feature is especially helpful, allowing the helicopter to maintain a consistent height automatically. This makes flying smoother and reduces the need for constant manual adjustments, which is perfect for beginners and intermediate users alike. The upgraded motor provides steady power, enabling smoother takeoffs and landings. The modular battery system is another big advantage, allowing for quick battery swaps so you can extend your playtime without long waiting periods. This is great if you plan on longer sessions or want uninterrupted fun. Durability is another area where this model shines. The sturdy construction helps protect the internal components during minor crashes, which are inevitable when learning. The helicopter's design also ensures balanced weight distribution, contributing to stable flight even during turns or slight wind exposure indoors. Overall, the Dirk RC helicopter is a great choice for users who want more stability, better flight control, and longer usability. It's a noticeable upgrade from basic models and provides a smooth, enjoyable flying experience that keeps you coming back for more. Next, we have the Busco RC helicopter. The Busco RC helicopter is designed for users who want a fun, feature-packed flying experience with added visual excitement. Right away, it grabs attention with its colorful LED lights, altitude hold stability, and multi-directional flight control, making it both entertaining and easy to fly. The LED lighting system is not just for looks, it also helps with orientation during flight, especially in dim environments, making it easier to track movement and direction. When it comes to performance, the Busco helicopter offers smooth hovering and steady flight thanks to its built-in altitude hold function. This makes it a great option for beginners who want a bit more control without sacrificing ease of use. The helicopter can move in multiple directions with precision, allowing you to practice more advanced maneuvers as your skills improve. Durability is another key strength here. The helicopter is built with crash-resistant materials that can handle occasional bumps and drops. This is particularly useful for indoor flying, where obstacles are more common. The lightweight structure also helps reduce impact damage. Overall, the Busco RC helicopter is a fun and visually engaging option that combines stability, durability, and user-friendly controls. It's perfect for anyone who wants an enjoyable flying experience with a bit of flair, especially for indoor use and casual entertainment. Next, we have the Cheerwing S107 Phantom RC helicopter. The Cheerwing S107 Phantom RC helicopter is a well-known favorite in the RC community, and for good reason. It comes packed with proportional speed control, built-in gyro stabilization, and compact indoor design, making it one of the most reliable choices for beginners and hobbyists alike. The proportional speed control allows for precise movement, giving you better control over ascent, descent, and directional changes. This creates a more realistic and satisfying flying experience. Its gyro stabilization system ensures smooth hovering and minimizes drifting, which is essential for indoor flying. This feature makes it easier to maintain control, even if you're new to RC helicopters. The compact design allows it to navigate tight spaces effortlessly, making it perfect for indoor environments like living rooms or offices. Performance-wise, the Cheerwing S107 delivers consistent and stable flights. The dual rotor system enhances balance and reduces the chances of losing control mid-air. It also has a decent battery life for its size, providing enough time for enjoyable flying sessions. Durability is another strong point here. The sturdy frame can withstand minor crashes, making it forgiving for beginners who are still learning. The helicopter's lightweight construction also helps reduce impact damage. Overall, the Cheerwing S107 Phantom RC helicopter is a dependable and well-balanced option that combines precision, stability, and durability. It's a great choice for anyone looking for a proven, easy-to-fly RC helicopter that delivers consistent performance every time. The last one on our list is the Syma S107 HE RC helicopter. The Syma S107 HE RC helicopter takes the top spot thanks to its refined performance, reliability, and user-friendly features. It stands out with its hover technology, one-key takeoff and landing, and advanced gyro stability, making it one of the easiest and most enjoyable helicopters to fly. Hover technology allows the helicopter to maintain a fixed height automatically, giving you better control and reducing the learning curve significantly. Performance is where this model truly shines. It offers smooth and steady flight with precise controls, making it suitable for both beginners and more experienced users. The one-key takeoff and landing feature simplifies operation, allowing you to start and stop flights effortlessly. This is especially useful for beginners who may struggle with manual takeoffs. The build quality is solid, with a durable frame that can handle minor crashes without compromising performance. Its compact size makes it ideal for indoor flying, while the lightweight design ensures safe operation in smaller spaces. Overall, the Syma S107 HE RC helicopter is a top-tier choice that combines advanced features, excellent stability, and ease of use. It's perfect for anyone looking for a dependable, high-performing RC helicopter that delivers a smooth and enjoyable flying experience every time. So that's it for the best RC helicopters you can get right now. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful guides like this one. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep flying and have fun.